Hi everyone, I won giveaways recently and I wanted to share with you all what I got. Links to websites and channels will be down below, so let's get into the video. So the first one I won off of Instagram, and her website will be down below as well as her Instagram. This is from Sparkle Princess Co. She packaged everything so nicely. She included some cute little stickers. This is a planner charm dangle. I got to create my own. I got to choose the colors and the charms. My daughter chose the blue flower at the bottom, so she put it at the bottom. The butterfly I chose was one with the diamond. That's not it, but it's still so pretty. It came out beautiful. She handmade this, and it reminds me of my daughter and my son. This is just so precious. Thank you so much. This one was off of YouTube from Planner Mom. I'll leave her channel down below. I love that she included a handwritten note. That's just really nice. And she packaged it really nicely as well. These are planner clips, and I love that the roses are in different colors. I love roses. I can use these any time of the year. My favorite one is the pink one. And if you are watching Planner Mom, thank you so much. These are so cute. The last one I won is from Lindy's, and she creates beautiful handmade bag charms, and they are so pretty. And I was lucky enough to win a new one that she just came out with. She included this, and it has a discount code on the back. Her packaging is really cute. This is a cute little dust bag. I had my choice of either choosing with a pom-pom or without a pom-pom. So I chose with a pom-pom, and this is a giant one. She makes these little crystal horses and hearts. They're so pretty. This is Italian leather, and it has her name right there. And the Swarovski crystals. And this is dipped in 24 karat gold. And there's her name again. It is just so pretty. I wanted to bring it outside so you guys can see how much it shines. There's no filter on this. This is just the crystals themselves. The websites and the channels will be linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.